websites your competitors don't want you to know? All right, chat, good morning. Joyce, good morning. Azam, good morning. Trunks, good morning. Paul, good morning. Tris, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Holy, I know I'm late, chat, I'm sorry, but we're here. We're here, alive and well, ready to make some money in these markets, bro. I'm late, that's on me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. Mario, good morning. Business Lens, good morning. What's up, fam? Trying to catch up on everything this morning, chat. I'm late. I'm late. Trying to see what we got going on here. What did I miss? Did I miss anything exciting? News today. Any news? Any news? Any news? Any news? No news. Just crude oil. Maybe some headlines. Some more headlines today. Did I take any gold trade last night? No, I didn't trade at all last night. I was so cooked last night, chat, that I just didn't do anything. There's a couple of Reds from Iraq production. Ah. Cheers, Ness. Good morning. Cherry 007, what's up? You've had 2 great days this week. There's no not rushing anything. Oh, smart. Lev, what's up? There's more sellers coming in here on NQ. Chat, I move into the warehouse on April 1st. I'm super excited, bro. All our streams and everything's gonna be from the warehouse. Super excited. Iran talking shit again? Oh, yep. Iran will end the war at the time of its own choosing. Oh. Iran just keeps talking that shit, huh? What's Asia low, chat? Asia low's what, 320s? About to go pop Asia low. I don't understand how this market is holding up the way it is. If you think about it, like this war and everything, dude, the market's just holding up. It's crazy. But the market just doesn't care about anything. Nice buy up. Chat, we're long. We are long. See if we can move to the 90s. Nice, 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 nice. There's 90s. Trailing. Trailing. All right, stopped out there. Sick. All right, bang, bang. Wait, why does that say only a $48 trade? That doesn't sound right. Okay, $138. All right. That was a $138 trade. Yo, trade glitching, bro. What the hell? All right. That was a $138 trade right there. On 3 micros. Bang, bang. Quick little scalpy. Quick little scalpy. The other day it said 24 on you and you had 590. Holy. That was from 61 to 85. It's about 24 points right there. Sick trade. Going up to test those 400s. Dude, chat, I've been in the zone, bro. You know what I mean, chat? I really been in the zone. Like just taking these like 20-point trades, 24-point trades, being okay with it, like moving even further, even if I get out of the trade. Like, bro, I'm cutting up the market. Instead of the market cutting up me, I'm cutting up the market, chat. I'm doing it. We're just cutting it up. Instead of me dying by 1,000 paper cuts, I'm killing the market by 1,000 paper cuts. All right. Plus 24 points is a great trade. Happened so fast too. I didn't take any drawdown. I literally entered that and it just kept going. All right, we're going up to the 50% mark on the IB here. This looks pretty strong though. Like you could think about short to the 50%, but this looks really strong. The one thing that has me nervous though is we did come down and pretty much test that. Like we didn't break Asia low. Asia low's intact. Normally I'd like to see Asia low get ran before we just completely reverse this entire move. So with Asia low still intact, that makes me a little nervous. So I'm not going to take the shorts, or I'm not going to take the longs or look for longs to reverse this yet. I want to see this thing maybe pull back and then hold one more time and then move. My mic is low. Am I quiet, chat? Check, check, check. How's that? Better? Everything is coming, everything looks good on my end. Nice rejection on the 50% there. All right, so if we hold this again and get back above 50%, I'll look for a long to take again. Wow. What is the link to my IB indicator? Hang on. Let me pull it up. There you go. It's in the chat. You're not reading this right, so you're staying out? Yeah, that's smart. Very, very smart. All right, we're buying up again. We have VWAP, and then right under VWAP is the 50% mark of the IB. Still rejecting a little bit here. This thing's looking strong again. Getting back above 50% mark, trying to get back above IB. Or trying to get back above VWAP, trying to get back above 50% mark of the IB. It's looking pretty strong. Buys look good here. If we're going to run this thing all the way back up. Holding above 50% IB. Holding above VWAP. I mean, I think we could really send this. Chart Addict, what up? How you doing? All right, so we are rejecting again. We are back below 50% of IB and rejecting VWAP pretty hard. Interesting. Very interesting rejection here. All right, so we're back above 50%, back above VWAP. Might stay out of this area. This is getting a little tricky. Oh, wow, okay, there's a little pop there. There's the pop. Hey, on chat, be right back. All right, we back. Switch to TPT, got that one long, nice. Iran wants international recognition of authority over Hormuz Strait. Wow, okay. All right. All right, do seller. Are we gonna reject this or are we gonna pop? Like, this is getting kind of tricky in this area here. And I just took a drink of my Celsius and spilled it on me. G-Man, good morning. All right, can we reject VWAP and 50% and come back down, or are we gonna pop? I'm gonna stay out of this area for now, just because it is kind of tricky. I don't want to. It just feels too 50-50, so I'm gonna stay out of it for now. Wait for a better setup. I'm locked in, chat. I'm actually locked in. Nobody's more locked in than me right now, bro. Hit that like button or gas prices will continue to go higher. Facts. Chat, let's keep gas prices down. Let's keep gas prices down by hitting the like button. Redneck, good morning. Finally getting in. It looks like I've missed some movement. A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. We took one long so far. All right, we are running back to IBI. Trying to, at least. Trying to. Right now, testing the 75% mark of the IB. Buyers look pretty strong. IB high standing up at 526 so far. IB will be set here in about 8.5 minutes. Right now, IB high standing at 526 unless we go up and pop this within the next 8 minutes. Price acts like it wants to go back up there. Looking like we might go pop it, chat. Watching these 480s here. Chat, how are you guys trading today, bro? Are y'all green so far? Nice rejection of the 75%. Pretty steep, actually. Pretty steep. Makes me wonder if we are going to go up to the IB high or not. That was a pretty steep rejection. Wow. And right back up. Holy, what the hell? Oh no, dude. I guarantee someone got cooked on that. They saw this wick and were like, short, and smack. What the hell, dude? Bro. I mean, really, how can you trade this? Dude, I don't even know. And that's why I'm saying overall, I tried one slight red and then my TBT is green as fuck. Well, keep it green. Keep it green. Dude. Now look at it wicking out again. Crazy. It's crazy, bro. Wowzers. You're limiting yourself to 300 max loss. So far, that's been good for me. Dude, solid. I love that, actually. I really do. I love that. I'm like 400 to 500. Beyond that, I'm out. Honestly, trading 3 micros has worked well for me. Like 3 micros at a time. Like chat, these are new funded TRADEIFY accounts. And here, I'll show you my dashboard. On. Let me go to it, refresh. Actually, here, we'll go to journal. That'll be easier to see it in the journal. Let's see. Hang on, let me pull it up here. Wait, why is my journal not uploaded or updated? Bro, what the hell? Well, I was gonna show you my journal, but it's not showing the correct accounts. What the hell? Hello? That's so weird. Well, anyways, you guys can see it right here. This is my 4th day trading these new funded accounts with TRADEIFY. These are the 100K accounts. My profit target is 6,000 to get a payout, and we're already at 2,400. And this is my 4th day. And I've traded 3 micros at a time. Dude, like just a few micros will, dude, it's in these types of markets, it's killer. It really is. If you just cut up the market with it. Like get in 3 micros, make $150 in it each trade, do a few trades, bro, you're good. Like you really are. I have funded accounts still live since October 20 in October. Wow. Long as you've kept them. Nice. Yeah, that's good work. Trade Sinker was saying I was open on a loss for over 700 by logging TRADEIFY and that was wrong. Yeah, Trade Sinker kind of just getting a little sketchy. It messed up on me a little bit yesterday. Future, appreciate you. The Oak. Damn, the Oak's an OG, dude. Where you been, bruh? Oak's an OG of the channel. Appreciate you, bruh. We are teetering this 75% line of the IB. Nice, Oak. I never left, dude. I'm never leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm here. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. Oh, you haven't been here in a while, bro. You missed a lot. I grew a, I don't know if you were around when you weren't here when I started a personal account. Yeah, we took a personal account from $25,000 to $75K in like 6 months. You missed a lot, brother. He was here when we announced the massive 6-week winning streak. Oh yeah, no, it was like it turned into like a 3-month winning streak. Yeah, it was like a 3-month win. Yeah, we took 75K. I've taken payouts out of it now. So it's not at 75K anymore. Like I took my initial deposit and put it in the bank account and taking some more payouts in it along the way. But yeah, we fucking just crushed in a personal account. Oh, we are still hanging out at the 75% of the IB, chilling. Looking like we will probably go up and make new IB, or well, not make new IB high, but actually run IB high. IB is set. So we might actually go run IB high at some point. Really kind of waiting to see when we do that. ES below the 50%. Is it? Let's see. Yeah, it's hovering it. I mean, buyers are just still running us up here. Buyers still running it. I mean, it looks like we're going to go run this IBI. It feels inevitable. We're testing 500s. Holding above 500s. I mean, we're knocking on the door of running IBI. A little bit of sellers here. Price kind of feels like it's slowing down a little bit, chat. What's our ATR? 47 points on the 5-minute time frame. Nice pullback. 75%. I still think we go run IBI. It's gonna tank. You think so? Define tank. What's tank mean? Like we're gonna go back down to lows? Or the 50% mark of the IB? Low of day. Okay. Oh, chat, got something cool happening today. I'm being interviewed by TradeZella, the powerhouse trading journal. I will be interviewed by TradeZella today at 1 p.m. for their YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be cool. More sellers coming through here. Just waiting for Trump to say something in candle. Yeah, facts. Oh, when does he say something? Well, I was considering taking the long there. I wanted one more move down to 58s and I was going to take the long, chat. Just didn't quite give it to me. I wanted just a little bit more push down to 58, retest this area here. You know, these wicks, this low. And I was going to take the long. Just didn't quite give it to me. Now that it ran and rejected again, I'm not going to take it. Trump says, I bought puts. Drops mic. Yep. Bro, imagine if he like said what he buys and sells. Imagine that, chat. That would like destroy a company. if Trump says he like bought puts on a certain company, bro, the company's cooked. Like they're done. Everybody's gonna go short it. Imagine if Powell came out during a Fed meeting and just like the first thing he said was, "Good afternoon, short the markets." Oh God, dude. Imagine if we lived in that world where they actually did that. Once again, rejecting, dude. With no tie, open collar, bro. I love that. Yeah, wrinkled up white shirt underneath, you know, like unbuttoned at the top. Imagine he goes out like that on his last Fed meeting, chat, because you know he's basically done. So imagine on the last Fed meeting, that's how he goes out. That would be so funny, dude. Wait, hold on. I wonder if I can. We're gonna do something, chat. Hang on. All right, are we going to IB high or not? Can we just go run IB high, reject it, so I can take a short? That's what I want. I want us to go run IB high, reject it, and me take the short. We're at Asia high right now, are we? Yep, sure are. Just want to run. I want to run IB high and then catch weakness so I can take the short. That's what I want. Chat, here you go. This is how Jerome Powell's going out. That's how he's going out. On his last Fed meeting. On the last Fed meeting before he's done, bro. This is it. Holy. That's smart, Mario. That's smart, bro. Recognize it. Feel it. All right, let's go pop IB high. Let's go run this shit. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Javier says, nah, man, don't be like that. One more trade. It won't hurt you. One more trade won't hurt you. You'll be okay. I promise it doesn't hurt. Famous last words. Just one more. I know I can do it. I remember those. I remember getting caught in those words. I was, what happened? I think I was like, it wasn't to get a payout, but it was like to set me up to get the payout the next day is what it was. I was like, if I just take one more trade, I make this amount, I could take a payout tomorrow if I make X amount tomorrow. That's what it was. I was like, all right, one more trade. One more trade. We make X amount right now and we're good for a payout tomorrow. Blew the account. went on an absolute spiral, full tilt roller coaster. And that roller coaster was straight the fuck down. And it just kept going. Blew that shit. I did blow an account to get a payout. I was really close to getting a payout. I was like, you know, less than $100 away. I was like, I could do one more trade right now and get the payout. What you mean, bro? Just one more. We ain't got to make that much. It's just a couple micros. Throw it on. We'll get the payout. That couple micros turned into a red trade, DCA. Added a few more. Kept going against me. Ah, fuck it. DCA again. It's not like we're in the hole here. DCA again. Okay. All my green from today is gone. Size up. Go back to a mini. Fucking red. Size up again. In the minis. Add another mini. Oh, fuck. Now I'm really red. DCA. It'll come back. I know it will. I know it'll come back. DCA. Fucking account blown. Loading up the credit card. $500. New accounts. And then get stuck in eval hell because you're trying to pass evals super fucking fast to get back to the final level when you just can't do it. You're caught in the never-ending cycle of evals. I've been there, chat. I've been there. Can you tell? I've been there, baby. All right, can we just please run IB high? Can we stop like playing around and just quit playing games and run IB high here? We need it. Ads, bro. There we go. They knew what I was doing. They countered it. Facts. Passed elusive flex in 2 days. Actually made 500 profit on that account the same day after it was passed, and it was gone 1 hour later. I feel you, dog. I mean, I do. I feel you from the bottom of my heart. Why are we not running IB high, bro? I just want to run it so I can take a short. Lockout feature is a godsend. Yeah, it really is. If you have the discipline to click it. Some people don't want to click it because they don't want to. They want to have the option to trade, so they don't click it. It's like I don't want to click the lockout button. I want to be able to trade if I feel like it. I'll just step away now and then come back later and trade. Enrique, appreciate you. I've only taken one trade today. And it was the long from earlier. Y'all see it right here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful long. Could have definitely held that shit, but I'm not trying to hold anything. Look at this beautiful long. Beautiful entry. than DLL or ML. Yeah, facts. No, yeah. It's, yeah, you walk away, you're like, nah, I want to leave the option open for me to trade again. You walk away, you come back later, and then just full size everything and blow it. Then you're thinking, shit, I should have hit the lockout button. Back, how's it going? We taking one trade so far. We were long earlier, way back here. So now we're just kind of chilling, waiting for. I'm trying to get. I want IB high to get ran. That way I can look for a short. I want it. I want it to happen, chat. I want it badly. I want it real bad. But the market's toying with my emotions. Chat, y'all ever have your phone on do not disturb and then you just don't ever look at your phone, and you look at your phone like hours later and realize that you missed a whole lot of shit? Dude, I've had my phone on do not disturb, I think the past like few days, and I've had like family members text me and I'm not seeing it till like 2 days later. Bro, the amount of text messages. Also, I have these like scam like health insurance people texting me, and they're like, hey Sammy. I'm like, who the fuck's Sammy, bro? I'm not Sammy. Like, if you're gonna like spam people, at least get their names right. Dude, I have all these notifications, chat. Oh God. But bro, having your phone on do not disturb is like the most peaceful thing. You know what I mean? It's like you just don't have any interruptions at all. You don't see anything. You don't get distracted. You don't worry about nobody. Dude, it's not gonna run IB high as a chat. Am I cooked on that idea? Am I cooked? Gold ran IB high. I need Nasdaq to do it. It doesn't feel like I've been live for only an hour, chat. I feel like I've been live for like 2, but I was definitely late today. Chat, if you're not subbed to the channel, do me a favor, smash that sub button. We are live every single day in the morning, and we do Asia streams as well. We'll be live for Asia tonight. Chat, I didn't do an Asia stream last night because I was completely cooked, bro. I had my own stream in the morning. I had TRADEIFY after that, and then I had Ninja Trader after that, and then I had a meeting after that, and I was like, bro, I don't want to be at my computer. So I just didn't do an Asia stream last night. I was cooked. What is a secret for sleeping? Drugs. I'm just kidding. I probably shouldn't say that on live. Secret for sleeping. Get up really early. Be tired all day. And then go to sleep early. I don't know what time you get up in the mornings, but get up at like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the mornings. Oh, you mean after trading Asia? Oh. Well, ZQL. Take ZQL. Spell it? I don't know how to spell it. How do you spell ZQL? I don't know how to spell ZQL. ZQUIL. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. ZQUIL. ZQL. Bro, it'll put you right out. Trust me on that. You will go right out. Trade 007, give him a call. Let me know. That's for rookies. Take ashwagandha. ZQL's for rookies, bro. I take ZQL and I'm like cooked. Yeah, I'm done. Like I'm going to sleep like 15 minutes after I take it. One Advil PM. Anything PM, yeah, that'll help you go to sleep. Trading business is a cortisol machine. It really is hard to sleep, Chad. If you trade Asia, it really is hard to just shut off after that. I will say. It's not an easy thing to do. If you go until an Asia session, you're cooked. Oh, you're 100% cooked. Yeah, you 100%. Well, chat, price is like just dead, dude. What time is Trump speaking? Is he speaking today? Oh, he has a policy meeting. That's at like market close. Yeah, that's at market close that he does that. It's at 2 p.m. Two p.m. Central Time. 2 p.m. Central Time. That it's 3 p.m. Eastern. Oh wow, there's some sellers. Redneck, you still in chat? A lot of sellers coming through here. This is what I wanted to happen, chat, after we ran, oh well, after we ran IB high. I wanted IB high to get ran first, and then this happened. Oh man, dude. Dude, sellers are cooking right now. I mean, cooking. That's so annoying, dude. All I wanted was IB high to get ran first. That's all I wanted. Dude, this market is just not running levels. If you think about it, like this buy up that happened here at the low, we left Asia low intact. We didn't run anything. We literally ran nothing, and then it just bought up. Same thing up here. IB high left intact, didn't run anything, and then just it's like market is reacting before the levels get actually tested or ran. Oh, it's annoying. Mad annoying, chat. You'd rather see a sweep? Me too. That's why I wanted IB high to get ran. I would rather have a sweep. Redneck, if you're still on the stream, I sent you a DM. And yes, it is me. I don't normally send DMs first, so just verifying it is me. Sellers are cooking right now. If you checked, you guys can see it coming. Not necessarily. I mean, look how close we came to IB high here on Nasdaq. Literally 518. IB high is 525. So, I mean, not necessarily. We could still, ES could move first, Nasdaq take out highs, and then move after. You know what I mean? They don't always move according to each other, especially as of lately. The ideal trade for me would have been a sweep of IB high, catch a failure, and then come back down. Which, the fact that we came fucking 5 points or 6 points away from doing that is annoying. I was on the short side. Like I had a feeling the shorts would come back in at some point. I just wanted to see. I wanted it to be after IB high got ran. That's the only thing. But man, they are just cooking right now. Just, what do you do? I don't want to chase it because then it could just pop back up the moment I get in. I don't want to just chase it. I mean, this definitely giving low a day vibes for sure. Well, chat, I missed that move, so nothing much to it. It didn't give me the entry that I wanted or the price or the signals that I wanted to take the short. So the move's missed. It happens. Javier, no, I get it, dude. It's been doing that all day. I mean, if you look at the low again, we didn't run any levels here before we swept or before we started pushing up. We kept Asia low intact, and now we're just absolutely tanking. I feel like something happened. This doesn't feel like just a normal move down. This feels like a event taking place. So I don't know. But But yeah, we're gonna call it a morning there. We're up on the day. We've taken one trade. I'm gonna trade in the afternoon as well. But I gotta get ready for a meeting, and then I have TradeZilla is interviewing me today as well. So, oh wait, Iran's nuclear power plant has been struck again. That was it, chat. There you go. There's the news. It just came out. That's why you're seeing this. Iran's nuclear power plant. That's why you're seeing the selling, chat, right there. Ah, annoying. All right, well, chat, love you guys. Stay beautiful. I'll see you guys for a Asia stream tonight. Stay tuned. Be ready, baby. Peace.